Good morning, it's John Longcroft-Neal here. It's Friday the 25th of April 2025 and guess what? Oh yes, I've got a new camera. Boys with their toys.
I would walk for miles in the hope of seeing your face.
And this is the sort of thing it can do. A couple of things I wanted it for. One was to get these lovely shots on the bike, and it's just fantastic. It's taken about a week to work out all the ins and outs of making it work properly. It's not using the camera, it's getting the footage off the camera to edit it, but I think I've finally got it. So one is a shot like this, and another one, no, there's nothing coming, there'll be one like this as well. So that is just fantastic. I've got to try make it look like I'm not holding anything, and this way it's a bit more difficult, but this way round it's pretty good because you can hardly see the stick that's holding the 360 degree camera. And the way it works is it has two lenses on it, both sort of fisheye ones, and they take a completely spherical view of what it's looking at, and then you can edit the bits that you want, which is very, very clever. Turning left here. I haven't got a hand to stick out. Left. There we go. Yeah, morning.
This is a bit of fun look. If you crank up one of the parameters, you get this tiny planet look, which is quite amusing, really.
I know you can't see the camera stick, but if you look at the mirror, you certainly can. Sorry, the mirror, the shadow on the floor, you can certainly see it, so I'll have to try and avoid putting that in. But otherwise, yeah, this is one of the things it will do, which is very clever. There is another, and I'll show you that when I come to a curve in the road. Do that in a bit.
There's a bit of a Ken Burns zoom in as well going on, but what I can do in the edit is to highlight myself on screen, and the camera will then apparently pan round and follow me.
That doesn't mean to say I'm not going to use the old GoPro, which I'm using now. Maybe you can pass a comment as to what you think is the better camera shot. But it's nice to have a variety of things going on. So that's what I'm going to do with this 360 camera. It's an INSTA is the name. I was thinking of getting one by GoPro, but the INSTA just had some slightly better reviews. So it's an INSTA X3. There was an X4 which was more expensive, and reports were saying it wasn't necessarily, as is the case with these things, you know, a big improvement on the old one. So the X3 has been out a couple of years, but it seems to do me fine. And they were going slightly cheaper than the X4. And then that week, last week, they brought out an X5. So they were in fact a little bit bigger, largely to fit a bigger battery in it and make it last longer. But you know, for what I want to do with it, I think an X3 is going to be just fine. So yeah, that's what I've got. And I'm looking forward to using it, but it took a while to, and the funniest thing was this. I went to the woods to look at the bluebells, and you might have seen the video, and it was fairly simple, the one I did put out eventually, but the first one I put out was just hilarious. I was bringing in the 360 degree video clips and trying to edit them on Final Cut Pro. The only trouble was, every clip, even the GoPro ones, had some sort of 360 degree feel to them, and turned out all this swirly stuff on it. It was looked like you're on LSD or something, for what little I know, but it was just hilarious. So anyway, I had to abandon that and re-edit it very quickly, and that's what you saw in the last video. Clippity clop. Good morning.
Did you see that red kite?
No, there are a number around, I know.
Yeah, it's just flew there, just almost right in front of me.
Yeah. Lady just told me she's seen a red kite over here. So have a look out for that. A bit chilly this morning actually. It's quite early. It's only just gone 9:10. But I've got things to do. So let's press on, go around this little circuit and enjoy what's here. Oh look. I mean, they're a weed, but it's dandelions. I love them. Look. There you go. What's not to like? And there's one. Why is this? One of them's gone to seed, look. When I was a kid, we were so poor, we didn't have clocks and watches. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. I wonder why we were always late everywhere. Well, I've come back to where I started from, in the corner of the field just outside of Higham on the Hill, because I've dropped. I remember putting the little black bag that goes over the 360 camera, the Insta X3. I put it on top of my bags for some reason, and then I just walked off and went off and rode into the distance, which was meant that I've lost the little bag that it was in.
But nothing at all. The muppetry of old age. It was in the pocket of my shorts all the time.
Anyway, look at this lovely countryside. And like I say, I'm just about to make my way back through to Higham on the Hill. Only a short trip today because I wanted to use the 360 camera to get used to it, in fact, make sure I can use it. You have to do that actually. You have to practice with it over and over again until it becomes sort of second nature. It's the same with the GoPro. Quite happy with this one now. So I'm going to sign off here for you. Yep. You will see me next time. Okay, see you then. Bye bye.